National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Putnam County in north-central Illinois, south-central Bureau County in north-central Illinois, until 10:45 p.m. At 10:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Milo, or 13 miles southwest of Princeton, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lone Tree Corners around 10:40 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities.